Hello everyone, this is Shahid with you. Today I'm going to talk about occupational safety and health and the importance of occupational safety and health. Why workplace safety is important? There is more to this question than one thinks. Workplace safety is very important for each and every employee in the industry because all the workers desire to work in a safe and protected atmosphere. Health and safety is a key factor for all the industries in order to promote the wellness of both employees and employers. It is a duty and moral responsibility of a company to look after employees' protection. Each and every person who leaves his home for his work on a daily basis, morning he leaves from home, should come back home evening in good health. Have you ever imagined that your loved ones will never returning home? Or you get a call from he or she is have met with an accident or is admitted in a hospital? These thoughts only get us goosebumps, isn't it? There is only This is the only reason that's why it is important to create a safe working environment. These days, workplace health and safety procedures are important for the well-being of both employees and employers because human loss is immeasurable and intolerable. As such, a loss injuries can employ major loss to the families. All the industries do have safety risk, but the management should devote their time to think and strategize the things that what safety precautions are required in the company to make sure that the workers are safe enough for all the time. Also, the management should confirm with the workers related to the daily work and comfort so that the management can take the same steps according to the desired aspects of workers. This helps them in improving the productivity and quality of the products and many more. If you want to know all these details, I would invite you, please join us for the workshop. Thank you.